Set segment diagram, question number 21 and 22. 50 students are asked what type of movie they like to watch of these students. So we have the number of students in epsilon, which is universal set. There are 50 students. Now 26 like comedy. Let C denotes a set of comedy. So the number of elements in comedy are 26. There are 26. 15 like both action and comedy. 15 likes, 15 is a common portion, both action and comedy, action and comedy. So their intersection is equal to number of elements in their intersection. Comedy and action is equal to 15. 8 like neither action nor comedy, so 8 out of the set. Now use a Venn diagram or otherwise find the number of students who like action but not comedy, who like action but not comedy, action but not comedy. This portion is required, action but not comedy. So let this is equal to x, the number of students who like action but not comedy, let this is equal to x. Now we find the value of x. X is x plus 15, x plus 26, x plus 26 plus 8 equals to 50. 26 are the number of students who like comedy, and 15 cover the 26 cover the 15 students which are common in both C and A. So we have the value of x, which is only action but not comedy, is equal to 50 minus 26 minus 8, which is equal to 26, 24, 24 minus 8 is 16. So the number of students who like action but not comedy is equal to 16. 16 is the required answer. Now question number 22. Question number 22, in which we have the universal set from 82 to 96, including inclusive 84 and 96, and the number of elements in P. There are even numbers, consist of even numbers which are divisible by 2. So 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94 and 96. All these elements of the set P, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94 and 96. This is set P. P set consists of even numbers. Now set Q consists of the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 which are divisible by 3. The numbers selected from the epsilon which are divisible by 3. So 3 divides 84 and 3 divides 87. We can choose after the difference 3 and 90 also divisible by 3, 93 is divisible by 3, 96 also divisible by 3. These are the elements of set Q. Now first we find the value of P union Q, which is the universal union of the two sets P and Q. All elements which are common select only one time, and the difference and different distinct elements which are not in P or in Q also selected for union. So 86, which is not in Q, but we can select in the union. 86, 87, 88, 90, 92, 93, 94, 96. This is P union Q. Now the number of elements in P union Q: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total there are 9 elements in P union Q. Now part 2. Given that Y belongs to or a member of, this denotes belongs to or member of epsilon. Y belongs to epsilon or the member of epsilon, and Y is a prime number. Write down the value of Y. Prime number which is greater than 1 and divisible by itself, divisible by 1 or by itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. These are all prime numbers. Only 2 is the prime number which is even. All other prime numbers are odd prime numbers. These are odd prime numbers. So we select odd numbers, because 85 is divisible by 5 because ends at 5 or 0. It is divisible by 5, and 86 cannot be selected, and so 87, which is divisible by 3. So 88, 89, 89, 89, we can select 89, only 89. Only 89. Value of Y is 89 only because 90 is divisible by 5 or other numbers. 91 is divisible by 7, and 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So only one prime number, which is 89, from epsilon we can select. Now part B, we want to shade the region A complement intersection B. We can write it just like this: B intersection A complement, and change intersection into negative sign and remove the primes number from prime set from A. Now B minus A, the shade which is B minus A, this is the required shaded portion. A complement intersection B. Now question number